Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you HP laptop stuck on startup repair Windows 10. Okay, here's a complete step-by-step guide. First method is perform an HP hardware component reset, that is hard reset option. So first you need to turn off your HP laptop completely by holding down the power button for 10 seconds around. Then you need to disconnect everything, unplug the charging brick and remove any external mice, keyboards, USBs and SD cards. If your HP laptop has a removable battery, slide the release latches, take the battery out and leave it out. If your laptop battery is sealed inside, skip this. Press and hold down the physical power button at least 40 full seconds. Keep holding it down. This drains every bit of static charge from your internal chips. Plug only the AC charging power adapter back into the wall and laptop. Leave the battery out for now if you removed it. Press the power button to turn it on normally. If it boots in your desktop, turn it off. Put your battery back in and you are good to go. If it still loops, move to the step number 2. So second method is access the hidden HP recovery menu, that is F11K. To do that, you need to turn the laptop completely off, press the power button, and the exact millisecond you see the screen light up, start tapping F11 key repeatedly, approximately twice a second per second. Keep tapping it until you see a message at the bottom of the screen that reads, "Please wait, loading HP Recovery Manager." A blue screen will load up. From here, you need to navigate to the troubleshoot option, go to advanced options. Once you're here, you need to go to the third method, that is the clear the corrupted Windows boot log via command prompt. So select the command prompt option. Then you need to type cd space your Windows drive /windows /system32 /srt log files /srt and hit enter. Then you need to type capital SRT trail.txt and press enter to open the log file. If it lists a corrupted file or driver, we can repair the entire boot partition by tapping these lines one by one. First you need to type bootrec /fix mbr and hit enter. Once the process is complete, you need to type bootrec /fix boot and hit enter. Finally you need to type bootrec /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Then you need to type exit command to exit from this. And the next method is run the HP hardware PC diagnostics. So to do that, you need to turn your computer off completely. Then press the power button and immediately start tapping the F2 key repeatedly until the HP hardware diagnosis screen appears. Click on the prompt test or system test. Select quick test and let it run. It will scan your processor, RAM and hard drive. If a test fails, it will give you a failure ID code. This means your hard drive or RAM is physically dead or need to be replaced. If everything passes, your hardware is perfect. Go back to the step 2 menu. Select reset this PC and choose keep my files to safely refresh the operating system. To reset that, you can go troubleshoot, click on reset this PC and you can select keep my files or remove everything.